Hey guys, it's Mara, and today I am here with my co-host Manny Quinn, and today I will be showing you how to do a ponytail without using a hair tie, a bobby pin, whatever. It's literally just using your own hair. So before we get started, I'll give you a couple of tips. First off, it works better when you have longer hair, and second of all, it works better the higher up it is on your head. So this won't really work. However, this would work better. So just a couple of tips, you can figure out what works better for you because everyone's a little different. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take their hair, of course. Now this hack is a little tricky to get the hang of, but if you practice it a lot, I'm sure you're going to be able to get it. Okay, I have my ponytail, and the next step is a little tricky to explain, but if you watch, I think you're going to be able to get the hang of it. So you're going to take your finger, and you're just going to dig it under a little bit, like this. Okay? Make sure your hand's still in there, and then grab it. So your hand, it's like it's inside the hair. Next, you're going to grab your hair and thread it through, like that. And it may not look exactly like a ponytail, but it works the same way. Once again. Okay, switch the angle, so hopefully this is a little better. Take some hair. Put your hand through it. Grab the rest of your hair that's hanging and pull it through. Ta-da! Okay, let me know if this was helpful. If it wasn't, let me know and I'll make a remake of this video so you can enjoy this wonderful hack I found. Yeah, like and subscribe if this was helpful, and make sure to watch some of my other videos. Bye!